to Portugal. Hi guys, that's me. Mirror is life. You would never tired getting this view. Ayan. So ito na nga guys, nasa bridge tayo, which is ito yung ginawa ni Eiffel. Kung mapapansin natin, no, ang Porto talaga parang a little Russia. Itong street na to, parang alam mo yung sa vegan, yung parang Calle Crisostomo. This one. Ang daming mga entertainers dito, ang daming restaurants, ang daming shops. Guys, ito yung House of Nutella. Ayan. So, this is my room. I'll give you a quick tour. My room here in Spain, Salamanca. So, this is the bathroom. I have a bathtub. Oh my God, I love it. It feels like, you know, bago na naman. Ayan. This is my water closet. Yes, my water closet. I'm so excited to use it. This is my toilet, and this is my vanity mirror. That's me. Stress, haggard, kararating lang natin. Yeah, this is gonna be a start of something new na naman here in Spain. We're gonna explore it. Okay, so this is my bed. Oh my God, I love it. So this is a queen size bed. It's good for us kasi lagi tayong mag-isa. And this is the console table if you are, you know, working at home while traveling or working while traveling. This is dedicated for you guys. And those are my luggages, my bag, and my maleta.
The next day.
Good morning, Spain. So, we are now in Spain. This is our second day here in Spain. And as what you observe, I have my coat because it's gonna be so cold. Malamig po ngayon sa labas. It's 7 degrees. So, kailangan natin mag-layering para at least hindi tayo lamigin. So, this is me.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Hello everyone! Oh my God! So guys, this is the palace, the King's Palace. Oh my God, ang laki! Uy! Oh tara, doon tayo! Follow natin yung tour guide natin. Nasa King's Palace tayo guys. Mapapansin natin, ang laki. Iba yung architectural design ng palace nila. Guys, welcome to Madrid. Oh, that one is so big. Guys, ang daming tao. Oh my God. Follow. Followagan.
Hello, mommy.
Tara. So, pipila tayo dyan para pumasok kasi may art gallery inside. The most important thing here is that you will have to be together. At least hindi kayo mawala. Ang daming student yata. They're having their field trip yata. Tapos dyan. So, naghahanap ng way para makapasok yung tour guide namin. So, yun na nga guys. Pinag-uusapan kung saan yung meeting place namin. Kung what time yung meet up. So, this one is the King's Palace. And papasok tayo dyan. We're only given 20 minutes. And this one is the cathedral guys. Cathedral in Spain. So, we are also given 20 minutes to explore that place. And we will be having our time to take a photo for ourselves. Okay. Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome to King's Palace! Hey! So guys, pahirapan kasi ang hirap pumasok. Ang haba ng pila, tapos kailangan mo magbayad. There's actually a payment then. The problem is that we are gonna meet after 20 minutes. So we don't have a time to explore the place. And that's the King's Palace, guys. Do you know that there are 4,800 plus rooms inside? Yes. Okay, so speaking of, mapapansin natin, andyan yung mga estudyante yata. Nagpe-field trip yata sila. Ewan ko kung anong sinisigaw ng mga bata, pero makisigaw na lang tayo.
Ave Maria yan. Kasi
Hindi, parang mga schools yata ito eh. Parang a competition. Yan yung kulay ng flag ng Spain. Talagang they are very proud of who they are. Ano, ito yung plaza nila?
Foursquare.
Ah?
Foursquare.
Foursquare, Times Square ba? Saan na to? Ito yung unique ng flower ng Spain, which is, this one is their national flower. It has different colors. We have yellow, violet, the green, color green. So we are now in Mercado de San Miguel. This one, I think this is a restaurant. Yes. So guys, papasok na tayo. I think this is the plaza. So we are gonna go back here to 2 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, so time for lunch. And guys, welcome to Plaza de Mayor. So it's different color. It's orange. Ayan guys, ang daming tao. Parang commercialized din siya. Ang daming establishment dito pa tayo kumain. Kasama din ako. Saan kayo pupunta? Sige, kain. Magkakain na ba tayo?
Pwede.
Anong klase? Anong gusto?
Ang gusto ko yung ano to, malutong. Tapa ba yun? Parang wala yung mga birds ngayon. This is for our lunch.
Saan ka kaya? Saan ka sa Manila? Ay, sa...
Ayan, cheese, seafood. Wala pa yung mga kasama natin, so we just have to wait for the others. Wala pa yung rice, no? Yung paella. Ang dami pala natin order. This is Spain. Spain in Madrid. And grabe guys, yung architectural design ng mga buildings nila, ibang-iba talaga sa Pilipinas. Kung mapapansin natin, iba-iba yung kulay, dominated by orange color. Ah, my God. Hey guys, okay pa ba tayo dyan?
Okay pa yan.
Yeah, how does it feel being here in Spain?
Ay, masyado ako nag-enjoy.
Yeah. What makes it different from the other country, guys?
Pwede mo tanggal.
It's very cold
Feels
here.
good.
Yeah, a lot of pretty
Yeah.
Fashion,
and gentlemen.
fashion is fashion here.
Yeah.
Ay, totoo ba yan?
That's what makes it
you want a
really
good
competitive
example?
from the other countries.
Look
You
at,
can wear
look at
anything.
her. Look at her.
Yeah. Flex natin yung kaibigan ko, guys.
Oh. I-flex ko si Chanel.
Ayan. Oh, may Chanel. Yeah.
Ay, na naglakad sa kalsada.
Oh my God. I love it here, guys. Guys, you see that? Karamihan sa mga structural designs ng Madrid talaga, lagi may horse. I think it symbolizes on how they are really a progressive country. Guys, this is the Times Square of Madrid.
Picturean mo nga.
A few moments later.
So yun na nga, paalis na tayo ng Madrid. So for now, bye Madrid.
Bye Madrid, ha?
Yeah, bye Madrid. So we will be traveling, going to Zaragoza, which is part of Spain, and another place to visit.
And then
We're gonna
tomorrow
explore.
we're going to Milan.
Yeah, tomorrow will be a Milan tour. Then afterwards, we will be proceeding to Andorra, right?
Yes.
Andorra followed by the
Marcel and me.
yeah,
Then Andorra and Genoa.
Genoa,
ba
something
yun?
like that.
Uy, ang ganda. Saan mabili?
Oh gosh, what I love here in Milan, guys, is the weather. Ang lamig. Wait lang, kasi may malaking sasakyan niya. Ayan, 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 go. Ayan, I love it, go, go. Go, sige, post lang. Woo! Success yung pictorial namin, guys.
Ano, airdrop mo na lang, ha? Ang ganda
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
cellphone
Ay,
ko, eh.
sa akin pala to.
Oo, airdrop
Sige, yeah. So, check na check lahat ng mga itineraries natin ngayon,
Ang ganda
ha?
ng picture natin, lalo na yung sa'yo.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Yeah, ganda-ganda kami sa sarili namin.
Guys.
Ano bang building yan?
Patingin! Patingin!
How many floors to? Ayan. Kahit yung ceiling, oh, may talaga may design. So amazing.
A few moments later.
This is Museo del Prado. Ito, Museo del Prado, one of the most iconic masterpiece ng Spain when it comes to art. So guys, we're gonna go back to the bus. Then we will be having a drive for 3 to 5 hours going to Zaragoza. Guys, ang laki pala ng Museo del Prado. Ayan. Pupuntahan natin ngayon yung monument ni Dr. Jose Rizal dito sa Madrid. Let's have a photo, guys. Nakaka-amaze lang, guys. Makikita mo dito yung monument ni Dr. Jose Rizal, which is, alam naman natin na si Dr. Jose Rizal ay nakapag-aral dito sa Spain, Madrid, kaya kinilala or binigyan ng recognition ng Madrid si Dr. Jose Rizal. Ayan, okay na tayo. Go, go, go! Ayan, we're gonna go back to the bus.